Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME GT to Pro. Start by going into Play Store on both of them and tapping on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then select Open. Over here you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on REALME. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on REALME smartphone and send on an Android one. Following that, tap on all of those type of those and just send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. For example, like that one. Choose send and click on got it. Over here choose no thanks on REALME and close this window. And now, as you can see, we have the connection ways. We can connect our devices by scanning this QR code over here. You can do that by choosing the scanning icon on REALME, selecting while using the app in the pop-up and pointing your camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and then tap on receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!